In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your computer's graphics information using a straightforward method. This is a handy technique if you're troubleshooting issues, upgrading your system, or just curious about what's under the hood. So let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to your Windows search bar. Now, this is typically located at the bottom of your screen. It's that little magnifying glass icon, or simply the search field if you're on Windows 10 or 11. Clicking on it will open the search window, giving us the ability to find specific programs or system applications swiftly. Next, type in the word Run. You'll notice as you're typing, Windows will auto-suggest options based on your input. Once Run appears as one of your options, go ahead and press the Enter key. This will bring up the Run dialog box, a trusty tool for all sorts of system commands. Now let's focus on the Run window. You're going to type in DXDiag, which stands for DirectX Diagnostic tool. Don't worry if this sounds technical. It's just a simple tool the system offers to provide detailed information about the hardware and software on your computer. Once you've typed DXDiag, press Enter again. A window will appear, usually with a brief loading bar as it initializes. The window that pops up is the DirectX Diagnostic tool. What you're looking at is a powerful utility that can give you a plethora of information about your system. At the top of this window, you'll see several tabs including System, Display, Sound, and others. But today, our focus is on the Display tab. Go ahead and click on the Display tab. Here is where the magic happens. You will see a lot of information, but some key details to look at include the name of your graphics card, the manufacturer, and the chip type. These are essential pieces of information if, for instance, you're installing new software that requires specific graphics compatibility, or if you're planning a hardware upgrade and need to check the specs of your current setup. Once you've gathered all the information you need, you can simply close the window. And just like that, you're done. This quick check can save you a lot of time when managing your system or preparing for potential upgrades or repairs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and guides. Until next time, take care.